Are you a small or upcoming YouTuber looking for new trending videos to do during this quarantine that will bring you thousands of views? Then keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tovia Ogun back again. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that right now. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers by April 30th, because April 24th is my birthday and I'm gonna be giving you guys lovely and wonderful videos before then. So please subscribe and turn on post notifications and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and do leave a comment telling me other videos you would like to see. Thank you. On today's video, we are gonna be talking about different types of videos that you as a YouTuber need to be doing right now that will bring you thousands of views and subscribers, and that will make people to come back to your YouTube channel. If you want to know, then keep watching and make sure you watch this video to the end so you can see all the tips that you need to know. Thank you. So the first video that you can do that will bring you thousands of views right now is a quarantine day in my life video. So this type of video is when you talk about the things you do, how you wake up, what you eat in a day, and how you just go about in your daily basis. So you can do a video on that. So number 2 is a clean with me video during this quarantine. So you could show people how you're cleaning your house, how you're cleaning your room, how you're putting things together. So this is an interesting video you could also get into as well. So number 3 is artists to listen to during quarantine. So this is another nice video you could show people artists they should be listening to during this time. So the number 4 is how to stay motivated during quarantine. So this is a video that I myself would highly recommend anyone to do, because right now people are getting depressed and people are just feeling tired and they don't want to do anything. Most people are committing suicide. So if you have an idea of how people could stay motivated during this time, then make a video on that. 5 is exercise to do while you quarantine. You can share your daily exercise with us, because right now people are getting tired, people are oversleeping, we're overeating. So if you can do exercise videos, we will really appreciate it, and then we'll follow you on daily basis. So the next one is a day in my life of a quarantine mother of 3. This one is for mothers. So if you are a mother and you got 2 or 3 kids, or even 1 kid with you, then you should make a video of how you're coping with them and how you're putting things in order. A lot of women, a lot of people will want to see videos like that, because they are getting depressed and tired of how their kids are causing so much troubles at home. So the next one is games you play during quarantine. So you could share ideas of the games you're currently playing, and people will be interested and they want to play with you, because we are all getting bored and tired of doing one thing over and over again. So if you could share a video of that, we'll really appreciate it too. So the next one is shows you should watch during quarantine. So if you currently have some list of shows you want people to see, then bring it out and they would definitely watch it. And the next one is get ready with me while we go nowhere, because we are obviously going nowhere. So you want to make videos on that. Let's get ready, just bring out your clothes and then let's start changing clothes while we go nowhere, because we are going nowhere. We need to stay at home and stay safe. So the 10th one is a story time video of how your life was before quarantine. You could share ideas of how your life was. You could tell us your story, because we all love stories. I love story, okay? So you can tell us what you used to do in school, or what you used to do when you were working. So you can just share all of these stories. A lot of people want to see stories like that. 11 will be things you can do while you quarantine. This one is a very nice video. So if you can share ideas of what people could be doing right now while they are quarantined, is a very nice one. So the next one is a morning routine while we quarantine. So you can do a morning routine. You can show people of what you're doing every morning, and we'll also follow you. And the 13th is a night routine while we quarantine. So the 14th is what I eat in a day of quarantine. This is another nice video. So you can share your food with us. You can let us know what you're eating daily, and we'll also appreciate that. Before I go into the 15th, have you subscribed yet? Have you pressed that subscribe button? And have you put on a like yet? Please do that right now, because my birthday is 24th. Please. Now the 15th is a check chart on coronavirus. So this is what is trending right now, coronavirus. So you want to do a check chart on that, you can just start a video and then let's discuss, let's talk about it. People can leave comments and you go reply them, you know. So the next one is you could do a video of how to stay safe during quarantine. You could tell people of the things they should do while they go out, because most people are still working right now. So you could give them tips on how to stay safe while they go out, how to properly wear their face mask, and how to properly use their hand sanitizer. So the 17th is to teach people of any skills you have that you can share. If it's a skill of writing, skill of drawing, or making hair, you can do videos like that and people will definitely watch it. So the number 18 is a quarantine shop with me while we quarantine. So you could do a vlog or a talk on what people need to be buying right now. So the number 19 is a quarantine study ask on online classes and in general. So I know right now most people are demotivated to study from home. So you can do a video of your study ask, of what people can be doing, of how they could be motivated to continue studying from home. So number 20 is a quarantine prank calls on your friends or loved ones. You can just call them and make some funny pranks, and do not go to their houses. You need to do it on call, okay? Good. So the 21 is you could do your outfit while we quarantine. So I know right now you can be doing no dressing, so you can just wake up in the morning, show us what you wear on a daily basis, what you wear in the morning, in the evening, and in the night, or what you wear all throughout the day. So it's also a nice video, you know. 22 is quarantine hair care videos. This one is really important and very useful. So you could show people of how they could care for their hair right now, because I can tell you most people, once they wake up, they don't even care of combing their hair or anything. So if you have ideas on how they could keep and take care of their hair, you can do videos on that. So the number 23 and very important one is to eat healthy while we quarantine. So I know right now most of us are eating uncontrollably. If you know you're guilty, raise up your hand. I am guilty. So you can make videos of how people could eat healthy on a balanced diet, on what they should be eating right now and what they shouldn't be eating, or how they could eat everything step by step. You can just share videos on that. It will be really, really useful. So the next one, and the one I love too, is how I spend my birthday during quarantine. So I'm going to be making a video on this one very soon. I'm going to be showing you guys how I spent my birthday, the things I ate that day, the things I buy, what I wore. I just spent it in general. I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now and turn on post notification so you will see it first. Remember, it is April 24th. So if your birthday is coming or your birthday is already now, you could do a video on that. So number 25 is quarantine who knows me better with your family. So you could do this with your family. You could just bring everyone together and begin to ask them questions of who knows you better. So the next one is what to do if you're bored at home. Right now we are all getting bored. I am easily bored right now. Like, I'm getting tired of doing something over and over and over again. So you know what I mean. So if you do a video like this, do tag me. I want to come see it, okay? So next one is to do a video of the type of movies you're currently watching. So the 28th is to make a teaching video of what you've studied previously or what you are planning to study. If you have an idea on that, you can also make a video on it. So the number 29 is how to have a lit quarantine summer, because most of us right now are just confused on how we're going to spend our summer. So if you have an idea on that, please share it. So the number 30 is to have a Alright, sorry. So the number 30 is how to have a lit quarantine life. Yep. Are you still here with me? Thank you. Watch to the end. We are almost done. So number 31 is my lit quarantine playlist. So the number 32 is to make a video ideas like this one. So if you ever make this very one, do give me the credit, okay? Yeah, you made it to the end of this video. Yeah, so that completes it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed yet, and don't forget to tell me other videos you would like to see, and turn on your post notifications. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye.